Flowerbed Makeover using cardboard for weed protection. Hi there, and welcome to this video, which topic is a flowerbed makeover using cardboard for weed protection. It is kind of lasagna method, but without the layer of compost. In this video, I'm showing you how we completely transformed our flower bed. I'll start by having an idea of where to place the plants and pots, and I particularly want to keep it simple. We need to dig up all the flower bed and replace some soil. Remove all the weeds, making sure your flower bed is cleaned and even. We discovered later on that keeping the sand in the same bag as the weeds was really a bad idea. It was really heavy, but we got rid of them. We filtered the sand and filtered the weeds. We separated the weeds and leaves from the sand. If you're enjoying this video, do me a favor and click or tap the thumbs up. Your thumbs up really makes a difference. We had a little Inspector Kitty checking all of our activity. Part of remodeling this flower bed was making the edge straight again. It was falling, it was sunken, but we worked on it and we left it all nice and straight. It took a few hours, but this was done in one afternoon. So if you're planning to just do a flower bed, some remodeling, just make sure that you start in a small flower bed and you feel like you accomplished something. Now that the flower bed is all cleaned and even, you need to select plants that will create a stunning display. I'm using cardboard to protect the flower bed from weeds. Measure the flower bed area and have plenty of cardboard boxes, enough to cover the area. Making sure that you remove the tape and stickers. Lay the cardboard in the flower bed so it's covering everything with no gaps for weeds to push through. And don't use the shiny type of boxes because those are not good for your plants. Cut the correct size of the cardboard for the flower space and wet it with a hose or a bucket. Make sure that it's all wet.
Take a real close look now.
I'm using river stone to cover the cardboard, making sure that the flower bed looks neat and tidy, while at the same time stopping weeds from growing. Also remember to check your flower bed if you need sprinklers, if you need to water them manually or with drip system, so you can keep it looking great all year round. And look, what a change! A colorful set of pots, stone, and flowers. I'll share more ideas on more flower bed makeovers soon as we work on them. Watch the video on the screen or check the pinned comment under this video for more gardening and plants ideas.